Town together, and Melodon jumps off. Melodon, fulfilling the role for which he was purchased, setting the pace as they come to the first of the 8 flights and setting a good pace too. Melodon in the lead from Pollardstown and Going Straight. Those three set up a little gap there, and Ivan King has gone to the first. Ivan King, a faller at the first. The horse is up on his feet. His rider's yet to rise. They're racing towards the second flight now, and it's Melodon from Pollardstown, then Going Straight, and then Bird's Nest, followed by Mount Harvard and Daring Run, and then comes America's Marty's Anger. Just in behind them, Badsworth Boy and Slaney Idol and Sea Pigeon and Star Fen. Celtic Ride is the back marker at the moment, and Ivan King's jockey up on his feet all right, and Melodon in the lead from his stable companion Pollardstown, with Going Straight third and Bird's Nest 4. 5 is Mount Harvard and 6 Daring Run as they come to jump this flight. Melodon lands in the lead from Pollardstown, Going Straight, then Bird's Nest and Mount Harvard and Daring Run, then Badsworth Boy and Marty's Anger and Slaney Idol, and Halen behind Halen is Sea Pigeon, and then Celtic Ride, and now Starfin is the back marker as they race uphill, with Melodon taking him along still from Pollardstown in second. Quite a gap then to Going Straight, a further long gap then to Bird's Nest, a further gap now to Mount Harvard. They're really getting strung out. Behind Mount Harvard is Daring Run, and then comes Marty's Anger and Sea Pigeon and Badsworth Boy and Halen and Starfin and Celtic Ride and Slaney Idol as they run downhill now. Melodon racing towards the third. The 1977 Daily Express Triumph hurdle winner in the lead from the 1979 winner Pollardstown. Then comes Going Straight in third place. A gap then of about 10 lengths to Bird's Nest, Mount Harvard and Daring Run, and then Badsworth Boy and Marty's Anger, and over that one still the same order. Among the first 3, Melodon from Pollardstown, the blink at Pollardstown. Then in third place, Going Straight. A long gap then to Mount Harvard and Daring Run and Bird's Nest and Marty's Anger and Badsworth Boy and Halen and Sea Pigeon and Slaney Idol and Starfin and Celtic Ride. As they come down towards the 4th flight, these 2 stable companions have set up a commanding advantage now. Melodon from Pollardstown. Going Straight is in touch with them, but then there's a long gap to the 4th horse, which is Mount Harvard, then Daring Run close with him, then Bird's Nest on the inside, then Marty's Anger going well on the outer, then comes Halen. Behind Halen is Sea Pigeon making a bit of progress now, then comes Badsworth Boy on the inner, Slaney Idol, Celtic Ride, and finally Star Fen. As they race now uphill with 4 flights left to jump in the champion hurdle, and it's still Melodon from Pollardstown, little between the 2, a gap then to Going Straight in third. Then comes Daring Run 4. Behind Daring Run is Mount Harvard, and then comes Marty's Anger, Sea Pigeon making a bit of ground. Behind them come Badsworth Boy and then Star Fen. Bird's Nest has dropped back to last. They're running downhill now. They've got 3 flights left to jump, and it's Pollardstown, the stable companion now of the long-time leader, Melodon, who's come to take a fractional advantage now. Then in third place is Going Straight. Then comes Daring Run. Sea Pigeon making significant progress towards the outside. Marty's Anger still very well in touch with them too. Coming down now to the 3rd last flight with Pollardstown, the clear leader. Pollardstown jumps it in the lead from Badsworth Boy, who makes a mistake. Going Straight on the inside. Marty's Anger still well in touch. Sea Pigeon coming there with his stable companion Star Fen. Coming down to the 2nd last flight now, and it's Pollardstown from Going Straight and Daring Run. Then comes Badsworth Boy, Star Fen and Sea Pigeon at the 2nd last. Pollardstown lands in the lead from Daring Run. Sea Pigeon still coming there strongly. Then Star Fen, they're racing round the home turn now, and it's Pollardstown being pressed by Daring Run and Sea Pigeon, and John Franken coming there very strongly. Coming to the final flight, Pollardstown from Daring Run and Sea Pigeon. Sea Pigeon and a photo for 2nd place between Pollardstown, number 14, and Daring Run, number 6, with Star Fen, the stable companion of the winner, 4th.